Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching Java versions and allocating memory correctly. This avoids mismatch crashes and GC pauses. First, stop the server, open the start script or Tlauncher settings, and set XMX to 26 GB based on mods. Next, close heavy background apps so the CPU and disk aren't contended. Once done, verify server. Properties for view distance. Lowering that immediately cuts client CPU and bandwidth. Make sure backups are off during testing. They spike I/O. Now focus on server software and config. Switch to paper or perper. These implement async lookups and better tick handling, which reduces lag. Once switched, edit spigot. IML and bucket. IML to lower mob spawn rates, entity activation ranges, and view distances, because fewer active entities mean fewer ticks. Also install essential performance plugins like Clear Lag and configure them to remove passive entities every few minutes. Make sure to limit redstone clocks and complex farms. They create constant tick load and destroy TPS. Finish by profiling and tuning. Run Spark or use built-in timings to identify the exact lag causes, entities, plugins, or worldgen. Then tune the JVM. Use G1GC, set heap as allocated earlier, and add Roman 20. Max GC pause millis equals 200 to reduce pauses. This stabilizes TPS. Once done, restart and monitor for 10-30 minutes under load. If the server still lags, one key troubleshooting step is to test locally or over LAN to separate network issues from server-side CPU or disk bottlenecks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.